Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and this week we're going to be fixing pizza boats. Now I had these back years ago in school, and hopefully it tastes something similar to it there. Right here Carolyn's shredding us up some cheese, and then be right back in just a second. All I've done, I took some Italian sausage. I'm going to place this in the oven and make these little meatballs. And I've got us some bread over here. Let me throw this in the oven. Now you can fix these however you want to. Alrighty, I got some bread. This here was at Walmart, $1 a loaf. We'll cut this here, put it in there and bake it. Hopefully it'll be good. Get whatever favorite pizza sauce, marinara sauce you want. This is a simple, easy meal, folks. Put in there whatever you want. Pepperoni, sausage, whatever. Let's get started. We'll let Carolyn finish shredding up the cheese here. Alrighty. Now folks, you can do this either way. You can split it in half and have two, or what I'm going to do is actually hollow it out a little bit. Just try not to cut through your bottom. Take this off the top, and then I'm going to actually just peel out some of, oh, the timer's going off for our meatballs we put in there. You ain't got to do this part. I'm just doing this here. Just look at all them carbs we're pulling out of there. We're going to make this healthy. Yeah, right. Alrighty. Now what we'll do, simple as this here. And then I've already did these ones over here. And what we'll do, I'll put these back in the bag and we can cut them up tomorrow. Nothing happens. We're going to be having chuck roast, and that can be our, we'll toast them up, have our rolls for the meat, chuck roast. Alrighty, let's go over here and check on our meatballs. Alrighty folks, here is the sausage balls we made. All we did, we just made little balls of sausage. You can use burger or whatever you want to do. You ain't got to even have this part. Okay, now let's start constructing our boat. Alrighty, I'm going to start off with a little bit of cheese here in the bottom of these. Shug, what all you going to have in yours?
A little bit of sausage and pepperoni.
Both? Okay.
And cheese.
Carolyn don't want a lot of sauce in hers. Now folks, like I said, use whatever pizza sauce, marinara sauce you would like. Now, we had never tried this kind here before. We got it. I'm not going to show you the, well, we got this. And to be honest, we had to do a lot of doctoring, I thought, first to be able to taste it. Put in how, Carolyn, she don't want a lot of sauce in hers. I want a little bit extra in mine. I don't know about Dan.
I want extra.
Alrighty. So just pour in however much you want. Enough for you?
Yeah.
You'll have to tell me, Dan, if it's enough for you.
That's good.
Alrighty. Seal that up, bud. Put it in the refrigerator. throw in some pepperonis here. Like I always say, folks, make this yours. Do it however you want. Leave in the comments if you like making these, if you've ever made them. This looks similar to the ones we had in school so far. Alrighty. Now, take some of these sausage balls and throw in here. That enough for you, Shug?
Yeah.
That's all?
That's all?
That's all.
She's just saving room for cheese, folks. She was worried about the occupancy of her boat. Being all the sausage there.
Yep.
And getting shorted on cheese. See, like this little spot there, that'd be a little bit extra room for some cheese. Okay, there's your cheese. Let's go ahead and we'll get Carolyn's cheesed up here. Gosh, it's even overflowing out of the boat, folks.
Yeah, I'm not going to be able to eat that at one time.
No, we're not planning on eating this whole thing at one time, folks.
No. There'll be leftovers.
How do you know? It may be so delicious we just, oh my gracious, I gotta eat it now.
Yeah. Don't think I'd hold that much.
But no, I hadn't planned on eating the whole thing right now. Alrighty, I'm gonna get a baking sheet. We'll set these on there. I've still got the oven temperature at 400. We'll go from there. We'll see how we're looking. Got a few pieces of sausage left. Alrighty, let me get a baking sheet and we'll place these in the oven. Alright. Alrighty, getting ready to put in the oven, folks. 400 degrees. We'll let you know how long we cooked ours for. Alrighty, folks. We baked this for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Alrighty, folks. There you have it. We'll get Dan to taste test it here in a minute. We'll get his over there. He can cut him off a piece. Give it a try. Okay, give it a try, Dan.
All right. That's delicious.
There you have it, folks. Daniel said it was good. I'll try it here in a minute. I hope it is. It looks good. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Thank you again for watching. Y'all stay safe.